You know, say Big Brother na the biggest platform ever. And you know, so I already a good competition. So me, I like competition. Okay. So I was like, when they told me about it, I said, it's a very, very good idea. This platform is the biggest so far. So I'm like, we can try my luck now.
Okay. So now we be saying now just 2 weeks you spend for inside the house. What will be your best experience?
My best experience, I've been saying this, so maybe I know it sound like broken record, but my best experience in the house was when I won the veto power, because I was the first ever veto power holder in the whole of Big Brother Nigeria. So to me, that was like my greatest moment in the house. It was like a defining moment for me. Like I was meant to be here, so I was very, very happy for that.
Oh wow, nice one.
Yes.
Alpha, I don't know say partial day for this.
Partial not the Ella.
He speak English, speak Pidgin.
No. You don't say me
I be accent queen. I have to speak everything.
I can speak English.
Okay now. As a judge now Pidgin I go speak. Alright, Oprah must speak.
I don't feel speak Pidgin all true. Now why they give me accent queen? Like they mix,
you they speak
everything.
Which other accent you sabi speak? Which other accent you sabi speak?
No, it's just they come. My brain, just they come because I don't travel too many cultures. Everything
you are trying to do Indian accent.
I don't know if you just talk.
No, if you say me do Indian accent, you remember yesterday the post where I see where this two Baba manager, if your money get post, that's number. You want this number?
Yes,
Ella, who you like pass for that house?
Thank you for saying you asked that question, because finally I guess I get the opportunity to talk about who I like for the. No, make us rephrase the question. Who I like, I be what they feel.
Who you like? Okay, let's assume.
No, make we go with who I like.
Who you like pass? Yes.
I like Kafi. Not be as per that way, or as in as per say human being and personality, as person who I even roll as in flow with proper for the house, or maybe at the reason I never know. But I like Kafi.
You like Kafi based on the few interactions where you get with
yes, the girl they real, she they neutral. As in people feel the reason I say she they wrong. No, now for our own side you go ask our own question. Me I talk my own. And the reason as in me I don't get any problem with Kafi. Kafi na one of the person we see. You know, as everybody talks, say Ella likes to quarrel too much. Ella likes to instigate fight, which nobody say Naim. People suppose guys go back, go watch the video, right? To say, if people, try to, act like say they want to pass, I will let them know say as you don't serve the gist, you guys chop and finish, and then at the end of the day, we'll go back and say, let's forget, let's trash this and let's just move on. But Kafi, a person will be say they see everything where they saw based on who they start. Waiting they make Ella want the para you get. So she called me up for HOH room, sit me down, tell me say she see waiting they saw. I make her no go they feed their baits, because there's a Nigerian Africa take be people feel they watch and see waiting don't happen. But person when they watch and just put their TV on and go be saying that the part where we say I they talk. They head they will come to us Ella na fight, Ella na wahala person. So Kafi they there for me. Kafi say I know they in the thingy alone, say she see him and make I gradually they feed their bait, make the people know go the reason say now who I be. And for person to actually come out like that to state out everything, say she see and she did with me, I just reason that person as real on.
I mean say you got this safe to say that you did root for Kafi to win.
And the roots for the best person. I don't know. Right now like this, I was just focus on my future.
When Ella they talk about Kafi, you say she no real. Why?
Yeah, because honestly speaking, for me, I actually really liked Kafi because I felt like she had a lot of positive vibes. A lot of positive vibes. A lot of positive vibes in the house and full of energy and whatnot. And then in the first minute as I got out here, just to be seeing so many, like, it was as if she was pretending to be my friend, and then behind me she was talking about me. So honestly speaking, I don't think she's real.
You hear what she talk about you?
I hear. Now she also joined, put me up for nomination to leave the show. So I know hate her, or I don't have feel bad, but I don't think she's real. I just feel say she gets suicide. Okay. I don't go surprised say we go see video tomorrow say she they talk about Ella.
Okay, we get one question what we don't say we go ask 12 now when we come, and the question I say in 2 weeks four girls don't come out. What did that one mean to that? Because we gonna interpret it to mean say women need the ever day together and they nominate each other. 4 ladies don't come out of 5. in 2 weeks.
Make I talk my own. Honestly speaking, for the house as it dey be when we dey inside the house, we know they see the guys as competition per se. Na the ladies we dey see as competition. And you know say it dey easier if you get rid of your competitor early in the game before you know things dey hot. Understand? So na wetin cause am actually. Na wetin cause am, and the first week of eviction no be nomination.
I know that.
Cause that one na just you know. So this one na just the first real eviction wey happen. So maybe we forget about those first two abeg.
Okay, so in essence, no beef among you ladies.
No, Ella nominates me now, but I know the beef. I know say now part of the game.
Nomination and nomination.
Now part of the game.
You know, come and say she come and tell me say I know be real person. Because I don't
you
come outside.
Now part of the game. I know beef
was part of the game.
Okay.
No, maybe they go back to the nomination thing because when they go, I would vex for everybody will nominate us. You get nomination and nomination. You get so that's what it be.
Okay, as we don't talk about the ladies aspect now, now maybe we reach the guys, the men. So tell me, which of the guys you feel? I won't be on wink for you, but I know wink. I wink. So tell me now. So which of the guys you feel?
Honestly,
if you stay longer now, maybe some things, some stew, but don't share.
I mean, the only person I could see in that light was probably your Mashallah.
Okay.
I mean, a few others expressed that they liked me already, but then there was just this realness about Mashallah and the way he was business inclined and the way he was striving in his own field. I just felt like it was somebody that if we jam head together, if we be, some kind strong force and stuff like that. So I would say Mashallah.
Okay, so
Ella, who you like? Ella, you need to carry that mic near your mouth where maybe they hear you well.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay. So go and move the mic.
Okay, who I mean they like no even to pass like my next side like.
Let's assume say you stay like 1 month. Based on the small knowledge where you get of all the guys here, now which of them, if he hits on you, you forfeit say maybe you forgive this one chance?
Maybe Ikeo, but as in looking back to our last live show like this, as things take be, as I don't even the process things say girl you guys get brain and stuff like that, because a lot of things we don't pan out, we don't play out. I just know say okay I guess come out exempt myself for that whole scenario because I don't like as they call it in triangle. You get me? So me and the feel Ike and Messi today together. But as our last live show, as everything take be, I for just come on myself, like as I know as I want to take express this one for pidgin English, it's all pass my power. Okay, so as in I won't like keep them on the cool because I don't like as they think the story they take fly, as they get them wrong, as per how I even take like, and so I just want like turn everything to like say cool friends. If you come talk to me, as in team if you tell Messi. If you can't let me know, so as in if I say I stay longer, maybe all this one would talk. I would just do my own.
Okay, the same question.
So nothing romantic.
Nothing romantic.
Like say somebody hits on you, or
I don't talk now.
Now Mashallah for CP.
Yeah, now Mashallah, because 4 of them already don't tell me say they like me now, but now yes.
They are not sure.
Next time they tell them, I tell them say it's too early because I mean I know say inside the house 2 weeks be like already 1 month for inside the house, but to me I was like it's too early. It's too early to be making up your mind about stuff like that right now.
Okay,
so if I go hold you on that it's too early in case una come up for house, no possibility say una go continue from where una stop.
No, not in that case. I felt like it was too early in the game to decide because I felt like at the first few weeks a lot of people could be pretending and be lying and just trying to like latch on you. So I just needed time to process.
So
that's why I said it was only on Mashallah. I was too sure I was being very real.
You never have to process and take time.
Exactly, than to go and fall prey.
Okay, make I ask you that we ask Ella. Ella really. Give the direct answer because she, even though I had to say since she talk who she they feel but now she they root for, who you they root for now, Mashallah?
To win? Honestly, I do not know who.
Based on what you don't see, who you feel say get the strongest chance with this person, people go like him for house where we vote for them if you know easily come out.
Honestly, I don't know because the people where I think say strong in the house, I come outside, they know be these people where everybody they support.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So I don't know. I feel like say this thing, myself, I feel get the money, But I dey here today with you.
So now, so basically,
understand?
what they tell people now be saying, sometimes waiting when I wait inside the house, they feel no be
waiting
outside.
100% of the time. I feel like say they don't dey show everything except when they happen for inside the house because there are some kind of things I don't dey see. And I wonder, like, it be like say, you know, they show everything.
Okay,
okay.
What ask you now? What next? And I don't come up for the house now. But before that one, I want to know one question. What did two of them think about Esther?
Before I left the house,
the new head of house now.
Yeah, before I left the house, I feel like Esther started coming out of her shell, and I started to see her as a competition.
Okay.
Because she started coming up, you know, she was like ranking in the task and she started voicing out her opinions and whatnot. So I feel like Esther, if she keeps on with that, she will go far.
You also share the same.
Yeah, I do. Esther been quiet before, as in just they reserved. Maybe not her strategy, I don't know, but it kind of like worked for her. So now she done the show as part of
that quarrel where she gets
with who?
The last one they argue. Where it say I don't forget who she talk say she know insult her. She just correct her.
Okay, about the Down syndrome.
Yeah, about the Down syndrome.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So who they at fault?
Honestly speaking, everything they amplify inside that house. you go hear one thing, your brain go just they ring, and you just react.
You know, say we get nickname for Esther here.
Wetin you call am?
Bully hand.
Her hand.
Her hand it be like
roasted
bully. So when you roast,
not be
why you talking like this now?
No,
I never even noticed.
Na radio we dey now.
Radio we dey.
Now I walk to talk anyhow.
So that okay. Nickname for
I show you. No, I show you. See your hand from my TV.
Wow, boy. But no be only hand.
No be only she.
The other one said. Okay, but we also notice Isilomo. She don't come on. She said get bully. I'm not showing the picture.
Wait, I bet me. I will just stick to my own nickname. Which one? Accent Queen. I will just stick to that one. I don't want to have bully hand.
This one just tell you say it gets so many things where people where they have to look. You understand? So when they go to bully hand, see the Isilomo.
Wow.
You understand? So we dey watch, we dey take notes.
Okay, fine. All the tiny details.
Okay, so now one question we plenty we dey complain about the moment when they introduce all of now for that first day. They say all these people just come from abroad. All the plenty Nigerians wey go do audition for Ikeja and Ibadan everywhere. At the end of the day, now Oyibo people don't go for leave for Oprah plenty years. They get plenty influence. Say some people they feel say chua day for the selection process. Where you for do your audition?
I do my audition for Lagos, so
Why you do your own Ella?
For Lagos.
Because it come like say they pick all the people where they
speak
spring and everything.
I don't understand.
People
Make her ask
now
question.
people they talk for
I make
outside.
her first ask question. Me I know this. She person dey speak proper English. Can't be saying a problem.
No, be saying a
She
problem.
because they break the English all the
No,
time.
the thing be say a lot of them. If you notice a lot of them already for the a lot of get ready for the house come from abroad.
No, only three.
And they
not
get
for self. Okay, Shola, Mike, Kafi, and Ike. They're only four.
Now only four.
Only four. The rest of us are all based here in Nigeria.
All the English they sound like people who grow abroad.
Because I don't know. People have. I don't think, honestly speaking, I do not see what everyone is saying about this accent thing.
You don't hear
I just feel like I don't hear them now. They don't give me accent queen, which I accept. Are they proud?
English maybe say they know. If I say we dey taboo for the English.
Do you understand?
Or say we dey.
We don't use the words.
And then I tell
consistency, man.
Do you understand? I dey speak the pidgin English now. Me dey say pidgin English fit enter. But when I dey speak my English, people contempt me say accent. I know I speak pidgin English, but I speak pidgin English for house now.
She don't speak
very well.
I dey speak pidgin English. I dey speak English. Me no go because they tell me say accent because I teach myself how to speak like that.
So I don't hear them. Even a lot of them in Nigeria they grow up and they learn to speak their English.
Exactly.
Okay, the question now. More start with you, Ella. What next for you? We know say you be musician, you don't go play reality shows and all that. So we know say from experience we don't know say reality shows no be who win actually they blow pass.
So that
you understand now who make use of the exposure and everything. When I don't get huge platform and opportunity now where millions of youths for Nigeria and young people they find. So what next for you, Ella?
Music, like you said, that's one for sure. Alongside every other thing, I be just total package of entertainment. Me, I just expect plenty sauce
So you
pumping
go
out
do
for you.
music, you go date,
So
and
acting day inside the
Acting day
package.
inside, modeling day inside, presenting day inside because I won't get my own talk show as in the hot. And then
Ella.
plenty
Ella
sauce,
where I
and
know
then
she
plenty
dey shy yo.
juice.
Ella where I know shy, but now she don't
No,
tear.
she don't come out of her shell.
Don't tear.
I
Now.
guess now people dey look
Wow.
up to
I
me.
like your smile, oh.
Ah, thank you.
Beautiful smile.
Thank you so much. I mean, just like Ella said, everything entertainment. I don't want to repeat everything she has said because we're all individuals
And
we're all
you don't do beauty pageant.
exactly. And I was already presenting before I went into the house. So I mean,
You present.
yes, I was presenting. I was working for Spice TV Africa
on the TV,
before I went into the house. And obviously, yes, I would like to have my own show. I'm a traveler. I love tourism too. So I mean, I like to discover new places, especially here in Nigeria. I have something I do, Oprah takes. So I do I go to different cities and discover like the tourist attractions that we have in each city or each state in Nigeria. Real estate, investments. I have a bakery, Oprah Bakery, that's situated in Abuja.
Seriously?
We do bread, indoor and outdoor catering, and also if you loved everything I was wearing inside the house, it's all from my retail store online at Oprah's Closet. So you can also come to me for that. I mean, I feel like I'm like a whole bunch of talent.
As they call you Oprah, Queen of Asset.
Yeah.
What's that AKA entrepreneur?
AKA, thank you. Entrepreneur. That's right.
Okay,
Businesswoman.
finally.
Cash madam.
They see how they use my coins to make money for the house.
They see her now. They see her now. So you be businesswoman.
I be
You be
businesswoman.
Igbo girl.
I be Igbo girl now. I can't mix with River State. John.
That's
So, say,
Igbo River.
very
That
nice
Igbo
cocktail,
blood
man.
dey your body.
Thank
Igbo
you.
Ella to be Igbo.
Yes, now from Anambra State. My name is Ifoma Victoria Nabuchi, aka the real Miss. Hello.
Okay, before we let you go, time don't reach. Question I want to ask now, something we most people we don't call, follow us talk for real. You tell us and say, both of them don't watch previous seasons of Big Brother, right?
Yes.
Not entirely.
But
we have an idea, exactly.
Of the people then we don't go and the kind of personalities and characters we then get.
Yes.
That's one of the general beliefs that say this one has set. Troublesome people know today where they create wahala like the previous ones.
But they can't vote the troublesome people come out now. So waiting they want. You know say we don't feel please everybody.
You can't. You
You don't feel please everybody. That's just the truth. The person where they give them hot for the house. You won't come out everybody.
You know what we go do? What we not come out, we go open the line, lady. Make people call, tell us exactly what you now want is that house.
Exactly.
It can't be like say the things where people think say people want.
Exactly.
So people tell about. Thanks for coming, Ella. Ella, what will be the final words for today at this way with all the listeners, fans out there? And of course, tell them your social media handles, those who want to follow you, and those your fans who do the former ones, the ones where you get now. They want to follow Ella, they monitor everything Ella you do. We just like you. What will be the word you want for them before you come out?
First of all, I would like to do some shout out to Big Brother Naija, Bet Naija, TSTV, and all the people who make it possible to I sit down for here. Want to thank all the fans because I never even come outside. I never even hold on to the stardom or everyone on the shoot pion. But my lovers still they fight for me.
Your lovers, how many them be?
I've been come up from the house where I get 1,008 followers, but now I know they reach like 50K, and that's why they continue to debut because I'm about to drop some sauce,
You get boyfriend.
Ella.
You get boyfriend.
I get boyfriend. I dey find boyfriend though. Okay, now I don't come outside, I dey find boyfriend, but I guess let everybody know people will say they get wrong, like I would like to speak this one for English.
Yeah, speak up.
Okay, so all y'all that people perceive wrong and get your feel that your the impression you're giving them and you know that it's not good. Now waiting me I experienced that one talk.
Misunderstood.
Yeah, anybody who out there who's always feeling misunderstood or people perceive you wrong, trust me, the best thing you want to not do is feed on their bait. They're throwing trash at you so that you can throw it right back, and as you can see, I'm a living proof of trying to defend myself. So don't even bother, just walk away or count 100 in your head or smile, or because the opposite reaction is actually the best. That's what I can only just say.
It be like say you just spit bars now like rapper. Okay, Oprah, what did you find out?
Alright, it's your accent queen here, Oprah on Sorry Bina Boy. Perfect mix of emo and River State, aka Oprah. I mean, I want to let everyone know outside that no matter what anybody says, keep doing you. Do not change who you are. A big shout out to Big Brother Nigeria and all our collective sponsors that came together to pull this show off. Honestly, it's the first in Nigeria so far. And it's been amazing. A big shout out to Naija FM for having us here.
And then for giving you the AKA.
Add that to my bio. Okay, so thank you so much. I thank you so much for the love and the support. I thank you so much for everyone that voted. I know everyone was a little bit disappointed, but it's okay. We're going to move forward. Like we all know, many were called, but few were chosen. So I'm still a winner. So let's not all be so sad and disappointed. Just keep it locked on my page at Kim Oprah on Instagram, Facebook, and _ Kim Oprah at Twitter. I will have a lot to show you guys. I still have a lot to tell you guys about myself. So, you know, and I'm ready to work. I beg anybody ready to listen. I don't ready. I find work now. I don't come up for us now. As in right now, let's do this. Let's make this happen. Okay.
All right,
okay.
I beg,
thanks for coming.
Ella, which you sing small.
Who sing that? No, they get no. Ella,
no, it just cut me off when you won't cut me off, but they
sing
go
it.
kill me. She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She craves to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the star that's shining bigger than the eyes can find it. Maybe we've made her blind, so she tries to cover up her pain and cut her wounds away. Cause cover girls don't cry after the face is made. Yo! Naija FM.
Alright, if we leave and they will cut you tomorrow. Alright, thanks for coming, ladies.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I will always here to support tonight. Anyone that they do, come to Naija FM, we will support you.
Definitely.
Thank you so much
for coming.
Without the day with people like from day one, right from if your time is not reached now, we always day. All of them they always come here, so no difference. Alright,
the one thing
they wait for
I go talk with my friend, they always tell me, look, una stay beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We go try.
Alright,